Hello and greetings of the day. Are you a DV 2021 winner? If you've been following the diversity visa trend, you're probably already aware of the several lawsuits filed as a result of the State Department's refusal to expedite DV 2021 cases. There were over a dozen cases filed on behalf of DV 2021 winners, several of which were consolidated with other similar cases before the end of the fiscal year 2021. In today's video, Krishna and Supriya will be discussing the DV 2021 lawsuits.
Hello, Krishna. It's good to hear from you again. Since you discussed the Gomez case, DV 2020, in the previous video, could you also clarify for me and the viewer what reserved visa status is really for DV 2021 winners?
Chronic delays at American embassies and consulates around the world, stemming in large part from the coronavirus pandemic, among other causes, did not allow the qualified winners to complete the mandatory consular processing for the visa issuance. So, Supriya, today we are going to discuss the Bureau of Consular Affairs DV 2020 and DV 2021 status updates from October 25, 2021, which many foreigners were unable to secure on time.
So, Krishna, what is the current situation of the DV 2021?
Thousands of diversity visa winners from around the world participated in a lawsuit against the Biden administration, fearful of losing a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to create a life in the United States. Similarly, thousands of 2020 diversity visa winners who were told their chances of visiting the US had expired, as highlighted in the Gomez video, are still in limbo over the processing of the reserved visa, as the court has ordered that all reserved visas be issued by September 30, 2022. The immigration ban affected DV 2021 winners almost as heavily as it did DV 2020 winners. Some DV 2021 interview appointments at US consulates have only been scheduled since May 2021. Fewer consulates did not open up slots for the diversity visa interview, resulting in missed appointments.
Oh, thank you. It's disappointing to learn that no slots for the diversity visa 2021 were available. The fact that the winners' interviews were delayed by 8 months could have been a cause of frustration for them. Also, would you be able to help me and the viewer learn more about the lawsuits listed by Consular Affairs regarding DV 2021, which was updated on October 25, 2021?
Several related diversity visa lawsuits, Rai et al., V. Biden et al., Go et al., V. U.S. Department of State et al., Goodluck et al., V. Biden et al., Filazapovich et al., V. Department of State et al., were filed on behalf of more than 24,000 plus diversity visa lottery winners from over 140 countries to challenge the U.S. State Department decision. In a consolidated complaint filed in September 2021, plaintiffs formerly named Jacob, Kassing, Kamuna, Filazapovich, and Jurev were all included as Goodluck plaintiffs. On September 9, 2021, a federal judge granted the Go et al. Versus Biden plaintiffs summary judgment on the claim that the State Department's no-visa policy unreasonably delayed their visas. Diversity visa lottery winners were ineligible to receive a diversity visa under Proclamation 10,014, which was revoked in early 2021. At the same time, he refused the plaintiff's application for a preliminary injunction, Filazapovich et al. The United States District Court for the District of Columbia has issued a preliminary injunction preventing the Department of State from applying priority policy guidance to diversity visa 2021 applicants. It also ordered the department to make good faith efforts to process DV applications, including derivative beneficiaries, by September 30, 2021. The plaintiffs allege that the State Department and its Kentucky Consular Center unlawfully implemented 2 proclamations to suspend the processing, adjudication, and issuance of 2021 diversity visa applications in Rai vs. Biden, also known as the Rai case, the lawsuit brought by Morrison Urena. In Rai vs. Biden, Judge Tanya S. Chutkan of the United States District Court for the District of Columbia ordered the Department of State to reserve 966 diversity visa numbers of applicants awaiting adjudication at the 27 embassies and posts previously subject to Proclamations 9,984 and 10,143 and the defendant's regional no-visa policy, on September 27, 2021. On October 20, 2021, the court ordered the department to begin reviewing and adjudicating the 966 diversity visa applications reserved for the fiscal year 2021 as soon as reasonably possible. By the end of the fiscal year 2022, defendants must have completed the processing and adjudication of those 966 applications. Individuals who have not listed themselves as plaintiffs in the lawsuit are covered by the court's order in Rai. The judge determined that granting preferential benefits to named plaintiffs would be inequitable, unfair. Similarly, IMM-packed litigation filed Go vs. Biden, also known as the Go case, contesting the no visa policy and tier prioritization, which were alleged to deprive DV winners of a fair chance at a visa interview. On September 30, 2021, in Go vs. Biden, the District Court for the District of Columbia ordered the Department of State to make 481 diversity visas available for adjudication, 31% of 1550 plaintiffs, and adjudicate those diversity visas before the end of the fiscal year 2022. The Go order applies only to the Go-listed plaintiffs. These reserved visas have yet to be granted by the government, and the decision has been contested. And finally, Goodluck vs. Biden, the no visa policy and tier prioritization, which were alleged to deny DV winners a fair shot at a visa interview, were challenged in the Goodluck case, which was brought by Morrison Urena. In the Goodluck case, the United States District of Columbia ordered the Department of State to reserve 6,914 diversity visas, 31% of total plaintiffs, for adjudication until ultimate judgment in the Goodluck-related matters, on September 30, 2021.
Wow, Judges Mehta and Chutkanta made excellent judgments. When the final order in the Goodluck case is issued, the winners at least have hope for their cases. I am hopeful that the state agency will comply with Rai and Go's court orders by the deadline.
Yes, Supriya, you are correct. Many DV 2021 cases resulted in a negative decision. The order gives thousands of DV 2021 diversity visa lottery winners a reprieve from the Biden administration's inaction, which would have ended their immigration paths.
So, what is next for DV 2021?
The plaintiffs' rights in the Goodluck case are still being fought in court. Due to information technology concerns that require system modifications, software changes, we will have to wait until April 2022 to know how the Rai and Go case progresses. Also, government attorneys' recent filings have shown they still haven't got the Solicitor General's permission to move forward with any of their appeals of the DV orders. If the Office of Solicitor General authorizes appeals in these cases, they intend to seek consolidation of Gomez, Goodluck, Go, and Rai cases at the same time.
So, what is the current situation when it comes to DV 2022?
The current position, however, is not entirely analogous to that of 2020 and 2021. In comparison to DV 2020 and 2021, we anticipate the situation in 2022 will be different and more difficult for lawsuits. Why? In the coming videos, we'll let you know.
Thank you very much, Krishna. Viewer, if you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up.
Through its diversity visa lottery program, the U.S. offers up to 55,000 green cards to immigrants from all over the world to foster diversity in the country. However, many diversity visa winners have failed to cash in on the prize in the aftermath of the coronavirus outbreak due to Trump-era restrictions that prevented many diversity visa recipients from entering the U.S. forever. Despite President Joe Biden's efforts to overturn many of his predecessors' anti-immigration policies, the ramifications of those restrictions continue to be felt, contributing to a vast backlog of millions of visa applications. The diversity visa comes with strict time restrictions, and if you miss the deadline to get approved, you can lose the opportunity to move to the US under the program completely. Furthermore, if there is any news regarding the Diversity Visa 2021 lawsuit, we will keep you all updated via YouTube Shorts.
Please let us know what you think about how the government is treating the DV 2021 cases in the comments area below. Follow @theDVObserver on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the diversity visa process. Keep your notification on for new diversity visa updates in the form of videos and shorts if you haven't already. And yes, don't forget to check our other videos related to the diversity visa.